To change always on display clock on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you'll have to navigate into the settings, so let's go into the settings, and from here you will have to scroll down a little bit and go for the wallpaper and personalization. Let's go in there, and here is our always on display settings. Let's go in there, and to actually be able to change this always on display clock, you'll have to enable it. After that, you can find different types of these always on display clock styles, the analog styles, some kaleidoscope styles, digital, and here you can select the custom background, I believe, for the clock or something like this. But yeah, all you simply have to do is just now select any of these clock styles that you like. Let's select this one, and from here you can pretty much customize it by changing the text color, the style of this clock appearance. You can also enable this option to change the color automatically, and here you can also toggle the displayed items, which are the notifications and the battery. As you can see, you can pretty much change it. Here is the preview of how it would look like, and after the changes are complete, you simply have to press apply button to apply these changes. And now let's see how this always on display clock style looks like. And yeah, that's how you can do this. That's how you can change always on display clock.